So you're considering booking a stay at the Hyatt Centric Los Olas. Well, today we're gonna take you inside, give you a tour of the hotel, show you what our room is like, and then hopefully that'll help you decide if this is a place you wanna stay when you come to Fort Lauderdale. When you come to Fort Lauderdale, you truly have so many places that you could stay, whether it's on the beach or here in downtown Fort Lauderdale. So let's go ahead and head inside and start the tour and see what this place is all about. Let's go. When we walk inside, you'll immediately notice a really nice, modern, chic lobby with a restaurant and this wonderful furniture where you can play games such as put the ring on the hook. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Let's go. Yes. I really do love the feel of this, as I do so many Hyatts that we stay in. We love the Hyatt brand. It is stunning. So let's head upstairs and check out the pool area. You can see the pool area is on floor 8, so let's check this thing out. One thing that you have to do, you gotta scan your key and then hit the level that you want to go to. So here we go, level 8. As we exit the elevators, the first thing that you're gonna notice is that there is this like deck out here that overlooks Fort Lauderdale. So let's head out here, the Los Olas Terrace, and check it out. And whoa, we've got some cool views out here. Stunning. There used to be a park right here. There's going to be a park right here, but it's totally under construction at the time of our stay. But I imagine by the time you're gonna stay here, there'll be a full-fledged park there that you can absolutely love and enjoy. We are right next to the river. We'll walk you out there a little bit later on, but the river is literally just a few steps away, filled with all the beautiful yachts of Fort Lauderdale. You can see the riverfront circle over there. Beautiful. Let's head back in and go to the pool. I love how this feels so modern, but like some places do modern and it's obnoxious. This is not. If you love to work out, good news. There is a fitness center that has great views of the outdoors. There's someone in there, so we're not gonna go bother them, but it looks like there's all sorts of workout equipment if that is something that you're interested in. Onto the pool. Here we go. Welcome to the pool area. Of course, they have provided towels. This is, like we said, on the 8th floor. And so you can come out here and get absolute vibes. Now, it's interesting to note, like, it's pretty shady. It's 5 in the afternoon in March, and you've got total shade out here. So this pool looks beautiful, though. And I love the feel of it in the midst of downtown Fort Lauderdale. There's a place out here where you can get snacks and drinks if you'd like as well. Now, there are a bunch of different room types you can get here at the Hyatt Centric Fort Lauderdale Los Olas, and one of them is the Casita King Room. You can see these you can walk straight into your room, straight off the pool. So if you're somebody who loves to swim and want that option, book one of these, and then you can walk right out and enjoy your time at the pool. That would honestly be, like, for some people you might love that, for some people you might want more privacy. I think it's pretty cool. Now, we have a 2-queen room. However, there are lots of options here if you want to choose from a bunch. We just showed you the Casita King rooms, but you can also get a normal king room, but you also can get a balcony room that has a balcony overlooking the city somewhere, or you can go up to the suite options or things like that. But right now, we want to go show you our queen room because, man, it is so nice. So let's head upstairs and check that out. Now, as we approach our room, we're right here in 1105. And so let's head on in and check out what the room is like. All right, so let us show you our room here at the Hyatt Centric here in Fort Lauderdale. One, super bright, which I love. If I'm gonna stay at a hotel and have a room, especially in Florida, let it be bright. This is like, there's not a closet, it's just like this opening, but that's all right. You don't really super need a closet. And then we'll step in here, we'll head to the bathroom. Notice there's your commode, really pretty sink area with some like cool looking amenities here. And then you also have a really pretty shower. Rainfall shower, that is worth noting if that's something you care about. I'm gonna swing in here. Notice immediately you have this counter spot, which is super modern, super sleek. Everything looks really great and updated, which is great. I love that the floors are hardwood. They're not carpet. That's a big thing. And like, check out that backsplash. That's really pretty in general. Oh, I missed, you have a mirror here as well, but you go over here, you've got this backsplash. Looks great. You got a TV hanging on the wall. Honestly, a really pretty setup. This is a 2-queen room, obviously. And one thing that we have here, if we swing over here, this is our view. We have a roof, a tiny little sliver of the pool over there, and just a view of downtown Fort Lauderdale. So honestly, not a bad little room setup if you're wanting to just enjoy some lovely Fort Lauderdale stays. I mentioned we were staying in March of 2025, and as of March 2025, when you check in, here's what you get with your resort fee. You get unlimited bike rentals with self-guided tour and map of popular sites in Fort Lauderdale. That's a pretty cool perk. You can just go bike around Fort Lauderdale. You also get 2 beach chairs, towels, and umbrella to take to the beach. So if you want to go to the beach, you have your chairs, towels, and umbrella that you can take down there. You have buy one, get one entry into an art museum, the NSU Art Museum. You have a 10% discount on the water taxi. You have a Tesla car service that's a 2-mile radius drop off that you can use, which is awesome. I don't know if we use that anytime soon, but that's a really good feature if you want to just get somewhere close by. You have a 25% discount on yoga classes, and you have an $8 discount on airport transfer. Those are some pretty good perks that you get when you decide to stay here at the Hyatt Centric Fort Lauderdale, Las Olas. Now, like I mentioned earlier, we're pretty close to the river. So if we wanted to go check out the river, watch how easy it is for us to get down to the river to experience the river walk here in Fort Lauderdale. So if we wanted to walk over to the river, as you can see right here, you have the park right here that's under construction. So when that's open, that's gonna be great. But here we go. We're gonna walk over here, and this is so easy to get here. You can see the drawbridge right there that you can see from literally like the lobby of the hotel. Now we sped this clip up, but it takes right around a minute to walk from the lobby of the hotel over here to the Riverwalk. So pretty easy overall. And just like that, around 30 seconds later or so, we are at the Riverwalk. And so really, it's a great setup. If the Riverwalk is something you're interested in, the Hyatt Centric is a great place to stay. There are a lot of other things that you can do within easy access from the Hyatt Centric Fort Lauderdale, Las Olas. Like, you can go stroll Las Olas Boulevard, which is beautiful. You can take the free water trolley up and down the river, which was one of our favorite things that we did during our stay. It really is just a great place to stay with access to so much. So the question is, does the Hyatt Centric Fort Lauderdale, Las Olas seem like a place that you want to stay on your vacation to Fort Lauderdale? We really enjoyed it so far. We miss being close to the water. We're here before a cruise, and we love to see the ocean. However, if you're wanting to stay more in downtown Fort Lauderdale and get that full yacht-centered Fort Lauderdale experience, this seems like a great option. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't mind hitting the like and subscribe button, that would mean the world to this channel. Comment down below, have you ever stayed here, and what do you like about staying here? And if you comment a question, we'll be sure to answer it. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next video.